Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce, how to say correctly, perfectly, the 4 cardinal directions in French. So that's going to be east, west, south and north. So how do you pronounce those? Let's start with east. Est. Est is how you pronounce it. Note that est can be a verb as well, in which case it's not pronounced the same. That's a different story. Est is how you say east in French. West is pretty much pronounced the same way. West. So you've got OU that form the sound U, and then est, west, west. So it's very similar to English in this case. North is said nord, nord. So the D is silent. I know in English you'd say nord, but not in French. Nord. Nord is how you say north in French, and south is sud. Here you do pronounce the D. I know it's French, it's confusing. Sometimes it's pronounced, sometimes it's not. Well, when you say nord, it's not pronounced, the D at the end. While when you say south, it's sud. Sud. Okay, so let's go through those again. Sud is south. Nord is north. West is west, it's easy, and est is east. I hope this was all useful. Thanks for watching, and more videos for you here to learn more French. Thanks for watching. Merci.